Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about building, demissing, building efficient Docker images and improving the layer caching. How we can able to improve that. These are the things we can able to see in this particular video session. Okay, last couple of two videos you can able to see how you can able to build the Docker project and also how to push Docker image into a public repository, a remote repository. These three things we do that. Even we understood that what exactly the Docker image is containing and what are the things it will do that. Those are the things we saw into the last couple of two videos. In case if you have not seen that particular two videos, please go through that. Okay, because that is the main important. Okay, after that you can comes to here. Now how we can able to improve our Docker images doing. See, previous we have done this one and it is taken for 10 tasks to complete. Okay, and also it takes for 15.15 seconds, correct? 15 seconds at 25 seconds something it is taken, right? How we can able to reduce and do all the things. Okay, how faster. Now if you use for here now cmd, it will not work out, right? We need to go for project location, python project, and we need to open the cmd and open here. If you do for the same project one more time, if you do for the same project one more time, what it will do that, if I hit this one, previous it is taken 15 seconds. Now you can see it is taken for how much time it is taken, 2.6 seconds and 10 tasks to finish. See previous what it has happened, it is taken for 10 tasks with the 15 seconds, right, to download all the things, but now it is taken for 2.6 seconds only. It's a more than that 7 seconds it is reduced, 7.4 seconds it is reduced. Why? See the transformation everything is same and this is also same thing and this also everything up to here you can able to see same, nothing too different, but here there is copying caching, is a cache memory. Okay, it is completely, it is say that it is checking there is any changes from the docker file or not. If there is any docker file it is presented, if there is any something space is presented, you can able to do it and you can able to do the something like that. It is checking if nothing is modified, if nothing is not done, then you can able to go ahead and do it. That way it is saying that. Okay, even this catch is based upon that our requirement based upon only. Okay, which is a requirement it is presented, the catch is presented inside, it will download and keep it, right? It is reusing that those things and it is building and it is providing. Okay, the build is automatically is providing without any usage. Okay, now if I want to change something, okay, from here, if I want to use, see the docker file, if I open from here like this you can able to see, and there is one more docker file it is presented from mine is downloads, and here projects, hello world and python and docker images. From here there is a one more thing we can able to copy requirements, and this particular step is there. I'm copying this one and going to here and docker file, and I'm going to directory, I'm entering here and pasting this one. Okay, and this is the one it is present here, right? I'm cutting this one, keep this one, and here we can able to use it the copy. Okay, now I'm going to make it here. Okay, like this I modified the file. Okay, now you can see here what will it will do. Just I'm going to change this only for this copy requirement text, which is a requirement text is there, right? That requirement and app and everything I'm going to mention. Okay, now if I'm going to build one more time the same one. Okay, now if I hit, or else you can able to change the version of 3. Now version of 3, and you can able to change this one to 3 version. Now I'm saving this one as well. Okay, now I'm going to hit this particular one. Now you can see now it is taken 13.4 seconds only, because it is not take for more than 15 seconds. Previous it is taken for starting time when you build the first time the project is taken for 15 for 10 task. Now previous again the same build again, if you do that, it is taken for 2.6. If you modify the path of that and again you are reusing, then it is taken for 13.4 seconds, means it is reduced the space of things. What exactly it is done that? See the cache for 2 to 5 work directory. 2 to working directory of the app. From here, if you go and see here, from here to here, not much changes. Only for the there is only one change, that is called a copy. There are 5 tasks. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the directories are presented. In this 6 directory, only 4, see 2 to 5, 2 directories are modified in the 5. Okay, in the cache I have 5 caches I have presented in my local. In that cache also there is only 2 files are modified. That is those things only it is modified. Okay. Now first one it is given as expected, and second the cached one it is captured, and this is the copying that entire file, and you can see here the running also it is reused, and this copy of file also file by file it is again it is taken for in from the cache only, just it is reusing purpose. Okay, and exporting that entire image and providing, and it is finally it is provided for this particular Docker image. Okay, like this you can able to change and you can able to reuse the locations, and you can able to do faster that particular application to build it. Okay, faster application building, and it will reduce the time also comparing to any other language. It will reduce the time. Okay, and this also it will present it in your GitHub repo. Please download and see, and you can able to understood. Okay, there is no issue for that as well. Okay, nothing to worry about it, easily understanding purpose. Okay, if you want to do for the other two languages, that Node.js and Java and things, and please watch for my next video, and I will build for Java and Node.js for one particular video. You can able to understand the two things. Okay, and even this particular 3 version also it will be available in my local. You can able to check after this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.